we stopped by Universal Studios Hollywood for their brand new event, Mega Movie Summer. This awesome event runs through August 10th. So if you're going to the park for all the fun things you can do for your family and kids this summer, not only is there tons of things still like Super Nintendo World, there's a whole bunch of brand new stuff for areas like Jurassic World. You have a giant photo opportunity, new meet and greet with creatures, and even extra splashes and water for the new Jurassic World Rebirth ride. Some of the new meet and greet creatures include a brand new dinosaur from the Jurassic World Rebirth, which is adorable in the use of great puppeteering. The park even has a giant How to Train Your Dragon toothless statue to take photos with, and new meet and greets to celebrate the anniversary of great films like Back to the Future, where you can meet Doc Brown and even Einstein at the DeLorean. The front of the park next to Waterworld has been rebranded to Amity Island Cafe, and they've brought back the giant shark standee to take photos with. And there's even some meet and greets with characters from the original film. If you're looking for something fun to do this summer, there's just so many great opportunities at the park. We recommend you stop by before it's gone.